So today I was wandering the streets and I realized I'm a twin. Oh my God. What is happening right now? What the fuck? What? Why is there another one of me? No one knows! Because we're twins! Oh my God! Oh my God! I